I didn't lose my views because my videos were bad. I lost them because YouTube didn't know who they were for. And I didn't understand that until I mapped my entire channel. I spent days looking at analytics, charts, spreadsheets, and I was getting nowhere. So I tried a different approach. I stopped looking at numbers and I started looking at structure. Using AI, I pulled data from all my videos and built a physical map of my channel. On this map, topics are mountains, subtopics are rivers, but the most important part, the audience, are the water. And the moment I saw my map, I realized something uncomfortable. It wasn't the algorithm, it was the geography. After comparing my map to channels that are actually growing, the problem became obvious. My topics were scattered. Even worse, my audience was scattered. I was making videos based on what interested me in the moment and not exactly on whom I was actually serving that. And if I couldn't clearly explain who this channel is for, how could the algorithm do any better? Here's what that looked like in practice. I made videos about AI tools, then about workflows, then I made Canva tutorials, then I made videos about AI generated maps. Each video made sense on its own, but together they created confusion. And here's how YouTube actually reacted. When I uploaded a video about AI map generation, YouTube showed it to people who had watched my AI video content. The problem? These people didn't care about maps, so they didn't click. My CTR dropped below 1%, but not because the video or the thumbnail was especially bad, but because the video was shown to the wrong people. The analytics actually confirmed it. These videos got a lot of impressions, but almost no clicks. So I wasn't shadow banned. I had a fragmented audience, and the algorithm didn't know where my content belonged anymore. So no, recording more videos and hoping it works out is not the solution. That's exactly how I got here in the first place. Before deleting any videos, before rebuilding anything, I need to define a strategy. And not something that is based on what I feel or like creating, but based on one clear audience that I want to serve. The channel has to be orientated around the audience, not around my own curiosity. I would encourage you to do the same exercise too. You don't need to draw a map like this, but just ask yourself, who is my audience? And is every video actually for them? The clearer the answer is, the easier your job becomes. And the easier YouTube's job becomes too. So, in the next video, I'm going to define the actual strategy for this channel. Who it's for, what stays and what doesn't. This is where the repair really begins. And if you want to follow that process, please subscribe and follow for more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.